Welcome to Tech Charters. Are you ready to create stunning AI-generated images without the hassle of complicated setups or coding? Look no further. Introducing ComfyUI Desktop, the easiest way to bring your creative ideas to life on Windows and macOS. Whether you are a digital artist, a video creator, or someone simply curious about AI, ComfyUI Desktop makes it super easy to get started. With just a few clicks, you will be ready to generate your own images without needing to manually run any commands or dive into complex technical setups. It's never been this easy to generate AI images directly on your local PC, and you are using your local PC, so it is completely privacy proof. So let's get started. Now we will install Git for Windows. So let's search for Git for Windows. It is very important for almost all the packages and tools, so we need to install it. So if you want to use Docker, or if you want to use any other apps like Python, Git is very important. So I actually downloaded it twice. So let's run this. Okay, so here, next. It's pretty simple. We will just put next, but only here we will select one components extra, which is new. Add a git bash profile to your Windows terminal. Okay, so let's press next and next. I will not change any other things. It's pretty simple and it will install Git in our system. Okay, so let's close it. So our Git is installed. In this part, we will install ComfyUI for desktop. So let's search for ComfyUI. And this site is comfy.org. We'll go there. And here you can see the ComfyUI website, and you can see a lot of things you can do here. So let's download it for now. Okay. And we are using Windows NVIDIA Beta. I have the Windows NVIDIA graphics card, so let's download it. So it is right now not available for AMD or any other graphics card, so please remember this. We need NVIDIA GPU. So let's start this. This installation process is also very straightforward. So let's get started. And here I need to select NVIDIA, and there is manual configuration, but we want NVIDIA because I don't want to do anything manually. Okay, so let's it's selected, so CUDA is selected. So next, and please remember, I didn't install any CUDA toolkit or anything, just install the NVIDIA driver. So here it is actually showing the location where you want to put it. So I want to put it just inside the home directory, and go to this PC, local C, and here I want to create a directory called Comfy, and I want to put everything inside this. So let's select this folder, and that's it. And next, and we don't have any existing installation or anything. So next, it's only next, and it'll install everything for you. Just remember this. You can see it is actually now starting download all the things. So just wait and it'll do everything for us. Okay, so the installation is complete. Please remember, it can take 5 to 10 minutes. It takes a long time, but now you can see it started with the template. So here you can see basics, Flux, ControlNet, upscaling, videos, SD 3.5, SDXL, everything is here, like audio, everything is here. You can use any of them. So this is great. You don't need to do anything, just you need to select image generation, and it will install everything, all the models and all the nodes and everything. So you don't need to do anything. So let's check with Flux first. Okay. So I want to install the Flux tab. Just click Flux tab and it will show you the missing models. You need to download it. So let's download it, and it will download the models, and you can see the nodes are there. So let's download it. So the download is completed. Let's close it, and you can see the workflow comes with a prompt. So I will just generate a image with this prompt, and everything is here. So let's keep this save image here and just run it. And if you want to see the progress, you can just click here and it'll show you the command prompt. Okay, and you can see it is actually loading the Flux model and generating the image. And you can see, if you click here again, it'll hide the command prompt, and you can see the image is generated, and we didn't do any manual thing, just clicks and it generates this one. And if you want, you can also load your own workflow. But if you just want to use these workflows, built-in workflows, you can do that. Now let's click on the workflow, and here you can click on the browse template, and you can see this here, and you can do anything. Like, let's go to the video and let's generate a 2.1 image to image, or text to video, anything you can do. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, let's click here, and it'll show you that you need to download these things. Just you need to download, click on the downloads, and it will download. Okay, so let's download everything. Okay, everything is downloaded, so let's close it. And the only one thing we need to do is to click on run, and it will run the workflow and it will generate the video for us. So it is that much simple. You don't need to do anything. Previously, you need to do manual things, manually load your workflows, search them. But here you don't need to do anything. It will do everything for you. So this is the easiest way you can generate your own AI images or AI videos, and the video is generated. It's so simple. So hopefully you guys will like this video, and you can generate your own creative things with this AI generator. This is one of the best. You can use Flux, Flux, or SDXL video models, even audio models, everything. So it's so simple. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It will be a great help for my channel. Thank you and have a great day.